Gel electrophoresis is a powerful research tool when used by experts, but it can be difficult to learn. We might ask, what is it that experts are seeing here in these abstract band patterns? More generally, what are the differences between an expert and a novice? When observing a system, the novice may see only superficial aspects. Meanwhile, experts can see things that beginners cannot. They have a richer mental model of the system. So, how does one go from being a novice to becoming an expert? Well, building good mental models requires a lot of effort. In the case of gels, researchers usually need to take a lot of time to practice just learning the precise recipes for how to make them, let alone interpreting the data. A complementary approach is to use interactive media and simulation to guide the learning process. We've been really inspired by Brett Victor's work in this area, and especially his essay, Up and Down the Ladder of Abstraction. We also really liked The Parable of the Polygons by Nikki Case and Vi Hart. This collaboration really got started when I first came across Earth Primer, which is an interactive geology book that Chaim created, and reached out to him. We wanted to apply these concepts to a research tool, and gel electrophoresis seemed like a great place to start. The interface of Gelbox consists of a gel view, a sample view, and the species view. The gel view provides simulated gel data in which each molecular species is represented by a band. The sample view provides an abstract representation of the molecules. You can click on a species to select it. Finally, the species view provides controls to modify the molecules. We currently support size, concentration, shape, aggregation, and degradation. In addition to the molecules, we also provide controls to edit the gel and sample settings. In the gel settings view, you can set the buffer, the number of wells, damage to the wells, and the running voltage. A gel tilt option was planned, but it is currently disabled. If we go back into the sample view and click on the background, we get access to the controls for the buffer and dyes. You can find a detailed list of commands and shortcuts on the Gelbox webpage. If you encounter any bugs, please submit them as issues on our GitHub site, along with detailed steps for how to reproduce the problem. I'll just close with a special thanks to everyone who helped out on this project, and to all of our funders. Hopefully that's enough to get you started. We would really love to hear your feedback, and happy electrophoresing.